Welcome to STA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the important notification that is released by KNRUHS, K. Narayana Rao University of Health Sciences, Warangal. Important notification for the qualified candidates. The important notification is University has received many mails stating that students are informing or writing a mail regarding their name is not mentioned in the list that is released yesterday by the university on their website. So many students they are complaining their data is not showing in a list. As on verification, it has been found that data shows such candidate as having uploaded appearing from mostly from Andhra Pradesh and other states from Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu states and outside of India. So mostly the student those who applied for NTA outside Maharashtra or Tamil Nadu or from the Andhra Pradesh or outside of India, for these students the name is not included in the list, or some students maybe the name is not included. The reason is given by the university. All candidates whose name are not displayed in the data list are informed that the data display on KNRUHS website is based on the entries made by the candidate while uploading their application to NTA as received from Director General of Health Sciences, New Delhi. Candidate and parents are informed not to worry for the data uploaded in the application form to NTA. All candidate and parents are informed that they can apply when notification issued by KNRUH for online registration for referring to the prospectus for eligibility. Means no need to worry if your data is not in the list, but even you can apply, but wait for the notification from KNRUH. K. Narayana University of Health Sciences will release the admission notification. At that time you can apply. Those students, so many students also they write me also this, they are saying their name is not mentioned, so no need to worry, just wait for the verification, then you can apply for registration on K. Narayana University of Health Sciences website. And the local status, the university says the eligibility of the candidate for the admission under competent authority quota in the Telangana state as local and non-local shall be decided on the study certificate. So the students have 6-2 intermediate study certificate and they will be treated as local, and other certificate to be submitted along with the application form as mentioned in the prospectus. The prospectus will release soon for the admission. So wait for the prospectus for the admission, and the student those name is not included in the list, no need to worry, you can apply for registration. This happens only with the students who apply outside of Telangana. So if even Telangana student face the problem like this, so no need to worry, you can apply for as the notification released by KNRUHS, you can apply on the website. Thanks for watching. This is brief update regarding the student those who are facing difficulty whose name is not included in the list. Thank you.